My first time in the gym for the year 2023, what my ego thinks I can lift.
Anybody want to be a bodybuilder?
When my ego failed the lift. Well, at least me and my ego survived this terrible ordeal. Men's attention span when watching a chick flick with bae. Man. Women's attention span when watching a football game with bae. Woman. When you order a Royale with cheese at a dodgy downtown drive-thru cause it's cheap. Me. What I had in mind.
Yeah, boy.
What I got instead.
Oh no!
Growing up in my parents' homestead at our rural area, whenever my mom punished me for being naughty. Mom, I said go sit in the corner and don't come back here until you're sorry. Me. Mom, which corner? Mom, geometry didn't give birth to you. I did, so don't try and be smart with me, boy.
Oh!
Mom and Dad told me that kids are delivered via postal mail service, and that's how they're born. Then Mom goes on to say that your little sister to be is on her way any day now. Me, taking care of the competition before it becomes competition.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Me, 24 hours later but still at that party. Now here's a tip. You know you had way too much to drink when the man on the Johnny Walker bottle logo ends up looking like this dude.
Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the alcohol.
When Mom says, don't eat too much jelly for dessert or else you will turn into jelly. Me, when I chose not to listen.
Alive! It's alive! It's alive!
The day I realized that while showering, you don't have to get out of the shower and go to the toilet if you need to pee. Wife, hey baby, can you please give me some money to do my face, hair, and nails? Husband, sorry hun, we will have to skip that this month. Budget is tight. See you when I get home.
Many hours later.
Wife, waiting for her husband to come home that evening.
Go crazy, yeah! Go stupid, Go crazy, stupid!
Me on a diet and how I imagine food looks like so I don't get tempted to eat it.
No!
Oh, the deception. The betrayal, man. You deceived me. Someone get this jigaboo away from me.
When you go to your girlfriend's parents' house to meet her parents for the first time over dinner, but decide to use the bathroom during dinner. After an unsuccessful first flush, you try to flush for a second time and realize, oops, there isn't any water refilling the tank anymore. Inside the toilet bowl.
Oh shit, not good.
My mood on a Friday after my salary has just been deposited.
Okay, I pull up, I bought at the after party. You and all your friends, yeah, they love that Denali.
My mood on a Saturday morning, next day, bank balance $0.00, and it's still another 30 days till the next month end. Me running to tell my secret crush that I love her. Well, yeah, she brutally friend-zoned me.
You can never, you know you cannot make it. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Me on a Friday night partying hard. Saturday morning, me bad hangover, super dehydrated, promising myself I will never do this to myself again.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Sunday morning, me partying hard again.
Oh no, he didn't.
You actually taste the wooden spoon more than the ice cream itself. And you wonder why they don't just change the name of the ice cream from strawberry vanilla flavor to pine tree wood with a hint of ice cream flavor. After a sleepless night of playing video games, me.
Yeah!
After a sleepless night of studying for an exam the next morning.
Wait, no.
Yeah, there is no sleeping around here.
Me telling dad that mom is going through his wallet again. Dad.
We do not care.
Me telling dad that mom is going through his phone. Dad. Stop! After your friend disappears into the kitchen for 1 whole hour and you hear cupboards, pots and plates rattling. What you were expecting.
Oh boy, do I love eating food.
What you got instead.
You underestimate my power.
Oh, I hate you.
When you realize that South Africans refer to Russians as sausages.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
While in the middle of eating, then you see the loan shark you owe money walk into the same restaurant you're in and looks in your direction. Me.
Run.
Thank you. Thank you. You're good. You're a good audience, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.